Hey, how's it going, guys? So it's your boy HV Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Okay, so without any further ado, in this video, guys, I'll be showing you how you're gonna fix update bug on your Windows 10, Windows 11. Alright, so I'm gonna click my start menu, I'm gonna click settings, and I'm gonna go to Windows Update. Alright, here it is. As you can see, OEM HID version 18. Alright, here it says pending install. So when I click this install now button, it seems that this install button is not working. Okay, I can spam on it. I am spamming on it and nothing will happen. Okay, and yeah, guys, this OEM HID class update, it is coming directly from Microsoft. Alright, so it is safe. So the fix is how you're gonna do this. As you can see, I'm clicking install now and nothing will happen. As you can see here where it says more options, okay, you can see pause updates. Okay, so as you can see here, you're gonna see a drop down menu here, pause for 1 week, or you can see for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, etc. So I'm gonna select pause update for 3 weeks. All right, next, all you have to do is to just click on this resume updates. All right, now once it finished checking the updates, it's gonna automatically install that OEM HID class version 18. Okay, so this is gonna fix this problem for you. As you can see, boom, guys, as you can see, it should check for update and it should automatically install that OEM HID class. Okay, and as you can see, you should get this. You are up to date. Last check today, you should be getting this with a green cross tick. Okay, with this a green check mark tick. All right, so once you see this, so that means you're good to go. So let's do that one more time just to make sure that it has installed. Okay, as you can see, you are up to date. So yes, that OEM HID class, guys, has successfully been installed. All right, so this is how we fix this bug. All right, so that's gonna be all, guys. So if you appreciate this video, you know the drill. Like and share, subscribe, ring that bell notification so that whenever I drop a brand new video, you will not be missed.